How to add or remove the shortcuts Open App widget in the Control Center. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down to open up the Control Center. Next, we tap on the Add button. Then, once you're in the Edit mode, go down and tap on Add a Control. Next, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Open App in the Shortcuts section. Once you tap on that, there will be a pop-up. It will ask you to open up an app, so you need to choose an app. In the list of apps here, choose what you want to open. So say, let's say passwords. So tap on password, because sometimes we need to have access to our password as we have a lot of passwords to remember it. So here, tap outside of the block box to close that, and then swipe up to close that edit mode, and then swipe up again to go back to the home screen. Now, once you have added to your control center, you can swipe it down and then tap on the shortcut to quickly open up the app that you have selected. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.